So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel and seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti and today's video would be a really different sort of a video. Like वो usual sit down video से थोड़ा अलग है. So this video would be more of like showing you some items that I got from Delhi. Recently like I went to Delhi, and if you haven't seen that vlog, I'll just link it above in the I button so that you can see it. So yes, like I had saved up some money and then went because मेरे दिमाग में था कि हाँ कुछ लेना है इस बार. So yes, जो मैंने लिया I'll be showing you, and in no way I'm trying to show off or boost that I have like bought so many things, but yes, it's like I literally wanted to show what all I got, and everything is like on offer, like personally that I had bought. So yes, without making this intro any more longer, let's just dive straight into the video. So the first item that I purchased is this jacket, which is from Puma, and this is how it looks. It is in this really bright red sort of a color, and मेरे पास ऐसा red bright sort of jacket नहीं था. Like I own yellow and other colors, but this is a really different color. Like winters में this would really pop out and make your outfit like so bright and so good. So this one particularly retails for 3,999, that is 4,000. As I like showed in the vlog कि I went to Star Mall and वहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा outlets थे stores के. So this is the outlet store only, and वहाँ पे कुछ off चल रहा था like 40%, and this is basically from the kids section. ये तो बताना भूल ही गई. This is basically from the kids section, and ये like कितने है, like let me tell you, this is the इस पे mention सबसे largest वाला size था ये. This is जो भी था मतलब 13-14 ईयर वाला. So this is how it looks. ये बहुत ज़्यादा pretty and it fits me really well. Like मैंने इसका try on sort of जब मैं ले रही थी, मैंने vlog में भी दिखाया अगर आपने नहीं देखा हुआ है. So I really liked this one. काफी bright color है, and ये मुझे around 50 like flat 50 पे मिल गया था. So yes, I got this very pretty puffer jacket just for rupees 2,000, which was a really steal deal. Like मिलना मुश्किल हो जाता है क्योंकि अभी like normal अगर मैंने कपड़े देखे वहाँ पे, so they costed for like 6K and above. बट क्योंकि ये किड्स सेक्शन से था तो 4K था, बट दैट टू इज लाइक अ लॉट. बट येस, आई गॉट इट फॉर फ्लैट 50 एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज. So before showing you all the next item, let me tell you I am not into bags. So yes, next item is a bag which is like a cross body sling bag sort of a thing. And मेरे पास like एक ही बैग है जो पहले like मैंने लिया था, मिंत्रा से लिया था मेरे ख्याल से. And this is my second purchase, and this is like from Van Heusen, and this is how it looks up close. So ऐसा beige and sort of yellow bright detail है इसमें, and ऐसी opening है, like it has a click sort of opening, and then it has this much of space. You can see like एक zipper है बीच में, and there are two like compartments, not two, it has specifically like यहाँ पे एक पतला सा you can see एक ये compartment है, then एक और compartment है, then it has like a zipper thing in the middle, and then एक और compartment है, and then एक single पीछे back zip भी है. So like काफ़ी ज़्यादा spacious है, and I would say काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा भी है in quality. And this is how it looks. इसमें ऐसी sling है, you can see, you can adjust the strap also. So like जैसे ही I entered the store, ये भी like Star Mall में ही था. So जैसे ही I entered, I saw this bag, and like मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा attract कर गया. Like फ्रेम में तो नहीं आ रहा, but this is how it looks, and काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ऐसे भी, you can see. So you can like use it accordingly. एक cool vibe की तरह भी you can use it, and you can use like ऐसा chic सा look देने के लिए भी. So it is a really versatile bag, I would say, and I really liked this one. So this one like retails for 2,299, and I got it for like around 45% or 50% off. तो ये मुझे कुछ 1,200 something पड़ा. But yes, for like a Van Heusen bag, like this is my first Van Heusen bag, I would say. So like in this video I must tell कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा first होने वाले हैं जो मैंने नहीं लिए चीज़ें. Like in particular if I say, मैंने Puma की भी चीज़ें हैं, but I haven't bought it from my money entirely. So this time I feel so grateful that I can buy things from my own money. Like it feels so satisfying. एक अलग ही feeling है, if you guys can relate with it. So yes, मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. Silver sort of detailing, and यहाँ पे Van Heusen दिया है द ब्रांडिंग, एंड मुझे काफी ज्यादा अच्छा लगा ये बैग. So the next product is a pair of shoe and it is from the brand Skechers. So this is in particular like my first Skechers shoe, as well as it is my first expensive shoe that I own. And जैसे ही I went in the store, मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया कि I thought ले लेना चाहिए. And this was the last piece that was available in the store. So not hyping up the thing. So these are basically pair of white sneakers जो कि बहुत versatile है, सब पे चलेंगे. Let me just show you. So this is how it looks. It's a pair of white sneakers from the brand Skechers. It was a tongue twister though. So this is how it looks up close, if you can see. So these are basically giving those boxy, heavy, chunky sort of vibe and काफी ज़्यादा in trend है and ये बहुत cool vibe भी देता है. Like ये बहुत चीज़ों पे चलेगा, on skirts, on dresses, on wide leg jeans, on mom jeans, trousers and what not. क्योंकि white है, basic है, सब पे चलता है. Like Skechers are known comfort के लिए अपने, and I literally felt बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है क्योंकि these are very cushiony from inside. सो येस काफ़ी ज़्यादा अमेजिंग है, ब्रांडिंग पीछे है एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे मुझे ये. सो दिस वन इज अगेन फ्रॉम द आउटलेट स्टोर एंड उसका जो मिनी व्लॉग था आई हैव पोस्टेड दैट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, सो यू कैन सी देयर. सो येस इसका प्राइस है 6499, but I got it for like 30% or some off, so I got it for 3800, which was a good price I would say for such good quality shoes. क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी शूज़ देखे ऐसे चंकी सॉर्ट ऑफ जो वाइब देते हैं एंड गुड क्वालिटी मुझे इतने कहीं मिले नहीं, लाइक अफोर्डेबल प्राइस. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्यूमा ऑल्सो, उसमें भी ऐसे बॉक्सी एंड चंकी वाइब इतनी नहीं दिखी मुझे. लाइक कलरफुल वाइब में ज़्यादा है उनका, but yes, this was a basic white thing which I really wanted from a long time. So yes, I am done with the things that I bought personally, and next are the things that I'll be showing you जो मुझे gifts में मिले, like some things. So these are the two things I would show जो मेरी sister की friend ने gift की मुझे on like Christmas or New Year, you can say. So this is the first product that is from Bath and Body Works and it is 1000 Wishes body lotion जो कि उनकी बहुत famous ranges में से है. एंड मैंने इसकी बॉडी क्रीम यूज़ की हुई है, लाइक दीदी की थी तो आई हैव यूज्ड इट. सो ये उन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट की. सो इट स्मेल्स रियली अमेजिंग. इसका मिस्ट भी माई सिस्टर ओन, सो मैंने यूज़ किया हुआ है एंड इट इज़ अ रियली लाइक दिस रेंज एंड द चेरी ब्लॉसम रेंज is the most famous ranges out of the all Bath and Body Works products. So I really like this one. And second, she gifted this sort of a set which has like assorted things like different flavored chocolate balls and एक शायद कुछ अलग है, like let me show. This one, oh, this is the gluten free muesli as you can see. The next is caramel popcorn. The third is caramel nutty and the last is the pan flavor. So I'm really intrigued in this pan flavor thing. Let's just try this one. And personally, being from Lucknow, I really like pans, like meete pan jo hote hain. If you haven't tried, you should definitely give it a shot. And this like smells pure pan का जो smell होती है, it's quite different I would say. I really like this one. Like एक अलग ही flavor है इसका, पूरा अरोमा है पान का एंड देन इनसाइड इट्स लाइक चॉकलेट. जैसे ही अपर लेयर डिसअपेयर होती है सो चॉकलेट आ जाता है एंड देन there's some nutty sort of a crackly thing. So yes, it's definitely a different thing and उनको पता है कि मुझे ऐसी चीज़ें काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है जो ऐसे निकनैक्स वाली होती हैं. So yes, I really like and काफ़ी अच्छा गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शन भी है. So next is a Christmas/New Year present that my sister gave me. So yes, I was really grateful, happy, excited and like surprised also जब मुझे ये मिली because I never had this watch, like this company watch I would say. So this is the watch which is from Fossil. So this is how it looks. इसका जो tin है वही इतना ज़्यादा pretty है, like एक अलग ही है, have a nice day and it's like so good, well packaged thing I would say. So basically she got this from US and कुछ और चीज़ें भी हैं जो उसने मेरे लिए मंगाई, like I had to try some things. So it was totally a surprise thing. So let me show you. So this is how the watch looks like. It's in this very pretty rose gold sort of a color. Like बहुत ही basic सी है, एक elegant सी vibe देगी. Let me show you. So I'll just wear it and show you. Like बहुत pretty है. Rose gold watch मेरे पास एक भी नहीं थी and I literally wanted this. So this is how it looks. It looks so good and elegant. Like बहुत ही minimal है. Like no glitter work or no diamond thing is going on. बस एक normal सी plain dial hai, which would really go on everything I would say, and it looks so good. I was so happy. And मेरे पास ऐसी कोई भी watch नहीं है, and like Fossil की watch is like a great thing for me, and I'm really happy to get this. So next are these packets of Cheetos. Yes, मैंने ये बाहर से मंगाया because like India में it is for around 600, जितना मैंने देखा है, like one pack is for around 600, and लोग लेते हैं and they eat also. Like I am so surprised कि मतलब नॉर्मल कुरकुरे के लिए आप इतने पैसे क्यों दे रहे हो. सो आई थॉट लाइक थोड़ा मंगा के लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई, बिकॉज मैं पर्सनली अगर पूछूं सो आई नेवर स्पेंड 600 ऑन द पैक ऑफ नॉर्मल कुरकुरे. सो आई वाज लिटरली वेरी इंट्रीग्ड टू ट्राई दिस, एंड मैंने अभी तक खाया भी नहीं है, जस्ट टू शो यू ऑल एंड शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस ऑन कैमरा. सो लेट्स जस्ट ओपन दिस एंड टेस्ट कि ये नॉर्मल कुरकुरे है या इट्स लाइक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट. एंड येस, इसका फ्लेवर इज लाइक फ्लेमिंग हॉट, द फेमस चीटोस. एंड मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूट्यूबर्स के वीडियोज़ में एंड मिस्ट्री बॉक्स वीडियोज़ में भी देखा है ये, दैट दे रियली लव दिस वन. सो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई. ओह, इट्स इन दिस लाइक वेरी लाइक रेड सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. Like let's just have one more before giving the final verdict. So I would say like इतना इसमें कुछ खास या फिर कुछ ऐसा differentiating factor मुझे नहीं लगा. Like थोड़ा spicy है. Like I don't know why people spend like $600 on a normal packet of kurkure. I know this is a smaller one, वो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है जो मिलता है, बट आई रियली डोंट गेट दिस थिंग कि ऐसा इसमें क्या खास है. पता नहीं, नॉर्मली लगा मुझे, इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, इतना स्पाइसी भी नहीं है, इतना इसमें फ्लेमिंग हॉट एंड द ब्रांडिंग इज देयर. सो मुझे इतना भी कुछ स्पाइसी भी नहीं लगा ये. आई डोंट नो, थोड़ा खाने के बाद हिट करे मे बी. लास्टली शी गॉट चॉकलेट्स फॉर मी, जो बहुत फेमस है वहाँ. दिस इज लाइक दीज आर चॉकलेट बॉल्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग, माल्टीजर्स. And obviously I have opened it, so this is how the chocolate comes out. So normal, like these are chocolate balls as you can see. So these are good, I would say. chocolate wafer sort of thing है. And next are Lindt chocolates, which are very famous वहाँ की. यहाँ पे तो काफी ज्यादा expensive मिलती हैं, like, but वहाँ पे these are like weighed in kgs and accordingly you get. So हमने mixed मंगाई थी because my sister loves dark chocolate and I am into like more of white chocolate things, and I absolutely freaking love these. So yes, that was pretty much it about this video, and I'm really happy that I could buy these things on my own, and the things also I received as gifts, so I'm really thankful and happy for them as well. So yes, hope you all liked this video, and if you did, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends and family and join the journey. And also do let me know कि आपको ऐसा different sort of normal sit down video से हट के ये video कैसा लगा. So yes, until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye, love you all. Thank you.